guys, can you say hello to my vlog? Hello. So it's our last day today here in Boracay. So we're just hanging out, chilling out here at the beach, and we're so thankful because the weather is so nice. Today I'm having lugaw. The poultry here has become my favorite because of the salt and also eating banggit and fried rice. So, we rented the van. It's 5 islands pa rin daw yung pupuntahan namin. Then, yung last destination sa Puka Beach para dun kami mag-lunch.
Now me and my mom are going to another island. Say hi, Mom. It's my mom. Look, it's so windy here. My mom will help me.
Stop namin. I think island number 4. Isa na lang, tapos na kami sa aming island na hopping. Tapos magla-lunch na kami. Sobrang lakas ng bagay, guys.
Because I have my floaty right here and it's so big. I have lots of bubbles. Look!
It was a busy day today for us. Madami kaming naging activities, nag-island hopping, nakapag-TikTok sa afternoon, tapos we also went a bit of shopping, mga pampasalubong, ganyan. Tapos nakapag-coffee rin. Then, I met up with office mate na nakakatuwa kasi since nagka-pandemic, tapos it's a new work, so hindi ko talaga pa nami-meet in person yung mga ka-office mates ko. So, first time last night kasi dito siya naka-base, dito siya nag-work from home. Sobrang nakaka-inggit as in dahil diba, very safe for me dito sa Boracay for her kid also. So, ayan. Kaya nakapagod wala na akong boses. magbabath na ako at matutulog na kasi gabi na din si Marian, sobrang bagsak na. Good morning! It's our last day here in Boracay. Our flight is at 1 p.m. Today, we still have time to go swimming. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning. And we can still have breakfast. Our pickup is at 11 o'clock. So, mayroon pa talaga kaming time. But Marian is still asleep. Kaya I decided to do walking. And I'm gonna meet now my tita and tito to do some photo shoot again. There, it's so beautiful talaga here in Boracay. Pero, yun nga lang, you still have to wear a mask. Diba? Ito na talaga yung new normal. Okay, see ya! Ayan, ito na-meet ko na ang aking tita. So, pupunta kami dito. Ano bang tawag dito? Yan. Wow. Where's Uncle G? Maybe. You're gonna miss your hotel and you're gonna miss Boracay actually. The weather is so nice today. Kahit merong paparating na, nga daw na bagyo. So pinagbigyan kami, thank you Lord. And we will miss our buffet, our comfy bed, the pool, and of course the beach. How about you? What are you gonna miss here in Boracay?
I miss everything, but we're going back here.
Yeah. Marian wants to come back here. She really loves the beach and she said she wants to be a surfer.
I got shells.
So she got shells. She also collected some little coconuts. And what did you enjoy best?
The beach.
The beach, yes.